In this video, how to install Windows 11 without a Microsoft Online account. When installing Windows 11 Home Editions, you will get this sign-in screen and cannot to continue the installation without a Microsoft account such as Hotmail or Outlook.com. If you're installing Windows 11 Pro or higher editions, you will see two options. If you select the Setup for Personal Use option, you will need to sign in into your Microsoft account to continue. There is no option to continue with a local account. So, let's select Setup for Work or School instead of Setup for Personal Use. Click Sign In Options. You will see the domain Join Instead option. This option allows you to continue the installation using a local account instead of an online account. In case you're installing Windows Home, the option Domain Join will not available. The first way, to bypass the online account requirement, let's press Shift F10 or F and Shift F10 if you are using a laptop to open the command prompt window. Next, press Alt-Tab to switch to the window. Now, type this command and press Enter. A new window will open, allowing you to create a local account for the installation. As you can see, we can now bypass the internet and online account requirements when installing Windows 11. The second way is using the bypass NRO command. You still need to open the command prompt by pressing Shift F10 or F and Shift F10. The computer will restart automatically. As you can see, this time, we will have another option to install Windows 11 without the internet. In some cases, you might see the error the bypass NRO command is not available. You got this because on some builds, Microsoft has been removed the script in the system folder. To fix it, let's type regedit and hit Enter to open the registry editor. Navigate to the following key. On the right blank area, right-click and create a new dword value. Name it as bypass inbro the set its value as 1. Close Registry Editor and run this command to restart the computer. The next way is using the registry. Type regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. Navigate to the following key. On the right side, let's create two dword values and set their data as 1. close the registry editor, and restart the computer. As you can see, the network setup and online account screens are gone, and you will be directed to the Create Local Account screen. And the last way, if all of the previous methods don't work, you can try this method to create a local account from command prompt. Type this command to create a local account. Once created, let's add it to the local administrators group. Go to the OOBE folder. Run this command to restart the computer. You will see this because the temporary default user is being used to log in. Let's press Enter to continue. Now, switch to the account that you've created in the previous steps. After logging in, the default user will be removed, and the next time, you will not see it on the logon screen. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.